Are you guys ready?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the NWO from South Korea, weighing in at 100 pounds, the idol, Magical Girl.
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title. They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice.
He says it's all about dominance tonight and plans on showing why everyone backstage should be scared.
Guy.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 400 pounds, Flyboy Fisherman.
All these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance. I can't wait to see what unfolds. And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
Yeah, but he's taking on a superstar with a mean streak a mile wide. I know, I wouldn't want to be in the ring with this guy.
Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
It goes without saying that there is a certain disdain for your opponent when you pull off something like that. Seated clothesline.
What now?
Kick right to the gut. Oh, what a kick.
Boom.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Ref, are you blind? And he's in total control right now, only gaining more and more momentum.
This is the kind of intensity he wants to bring all night.
Oh, man, taking it to the trachea. Then,
here we go.
And he breaks the count quickly.
Fighting hard to stay in this match.
Oh, that was just malicious.
Kicks to the cranium of their opponent.
I don't know if there's any ounce of professionalism in an attack like that.
DDT!
Boom! Good defense from him. Stopped to the belly. Trying to get vertical, but he has no idea he's in the line of fire. Like a brick wall running into you. Really just laying it in. He's looking fairly drained.
At this point in the match, you have to expect to be run down.
Elbow drop. Is this it? Is this the end? Strong kick out there.
Not time to expect victory yet.
What do they have planned here? Uranagi!
This has to be it.
2, kicks out.
So close. That could have been it. He might be getting up, but it doesn't look like it will be for long. Uh-oh. Targets the gut to end the offense. High-level ability being shown with each of these counters. Ooh, man, what a hit.
Just a barrage of offense coming his way with seemingly no answer to it.
Can he overcome this? Full speed running body press. Oh, man. Oh, nice. And down for the count.
He breaks the ref's count before 2.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup. Oh, man, the neck breaker.
He really felt the impact on that one.
Tilt-a-whirl head scissors. Driver. That's got to be the end.
Oh, my God, did you see that? Kick out at 1.
You gotta be kidding me. What just happened? I don't know, but I think it just blew the roof off this arena.
Listen, that should have ended things. And look at his face. At this point, you have to believe he's losing some faith in himself.
Full speed running body press. Oh, this superstar using the rope as a weapon. This is uncalled for. Come on!
This is it. He could put him away right here. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this.
Ripping at the eyes. Oh, wrench in the arm, and then,
knee strike to the arm.
Gets the reversal. What a counter. Placing him in the corner. A reversal. He saw that coming. Nothing like the old gallows pole.
Target locked in. He knows it's that time. Looking the leg. Oh, fisherman driver. He might have sealed both their fates here.
On a win. Wow, he's going to celebrate all night long. Here is your winner. A statement victory by this guy tonight. I don't care if it's your